Welcome to the Cryptonomatron, guys. Thanks for joining me today. In this video, I'm starting a new series called the 5-Figure Moon Challenge. But if this is your first time watching my channel and you want to know more about cryptocurrency, ICOs, blockchain, Bitcoin, and other related stuff like that, then please do click on that subscribe button and click on that bell notification icon as well, and you'll get notified as soon as I upload new content and as soon as I go live. Now let's get on with the 5-Figure Moon Challenge. I even forgot what my video was called. Yeah, let's just get on with it, eh? But if this is your first time watching the channel and you want to know more about ICOs, cryptocurrency, blockchain, Bitcoin, and other related stuff, then click on that subscribe button and click on that bell notification icon as well, and you'll get notified as soon as I upload new content and as soon as I go live. And you're going to want to follow this series as well, especially if you're trading cryptocurrency, because we are going to take it to the moon, starting off with a single Ethereum. Let's go. So the plan is to start off with a single Ethereum and try and get it into 5 figures. And we're talking US dollar terms here. Yeah, I know some of you may say, oh, well, you should be trading and thinking about the Satoshi value in Bitcoin. Sure. You know, that is, that's an important point, but that's not what we're doing here. We are taking it to the normies. We are taking it to fiat currency because fiat currency we can use in the real world, and it's a better gauge of how well we're doing for these trades than Bitcoin is. And plus, more people will understand the value of the US dollar. So we're going to peg the Ethereum that we've got to the US dollar. So today we started off, I think it was about $570. And I made a few trades already. So let's get into it and have a look at what I've done already. Okay, so I made a few trades with one Ethereum in the last 24 hours, and I bought some Fabric token. I did a video on it yesterday. Now I've already got a baggie of Fabric token. I was in at the ICO, and also I've been stacking up as well on it because I actually think it's quite a good prospect going forward. But that's not what I wanted to do here. What I wanted to do was make sure that we take one Ethereum and we buy stuff that's actually going to multiply our value in US dollar terms. So I split it into two, essentially. I bought about half an Ethereum worth of Fabric token, as you can see here, about 0.569 of an Ethereum to be exact. And that was about ICO price as well. So I got in before the mad FOMO and the huge green candles appeared last night, which I suspected was going to happen. So after that, I had about 0.4 of an Ethereum left, and I was wondering what to do with it. And lo and behold, another project that I've done a video on, XDAC, which is at ICO at the moment, in fact it's at pre-sale with large bonuses, had just been released on IDEX. Now, I had a look at it and I just couldn't believe what I saw. It was trading at about, I'm not kidding you, it was trading about a quarter or even a fifth of the price at ICO, and that is including the bonuses. So what did I do? Well, you can see there I put some orders in, and some of them got filled, not all of them unfortunately, because I actually put more money than the Ethereum we're using for this project into it. But it filled almost half an Ethereum worth of my bids. So as you can see there was 4 bids for 650, 540, 250, and almost 500 XDAC that got filled yesterday. Now, that's pretty good. I did not expect to actually amass that many, but what I took into account there was there's a lot of people getting this token airdropped to them and they don't really know the value of it, and they're just cashing in to make a quick buck. So the fact that it just came on the IDEX exchange right away, and a lot of people were airdropped it and just trying to make a little bit of money, whether that's a 0.002 of an Ethereum or whatever they're making for their meager airdrop, meant I could take advantage of that, and that's what I duly did. But I didn't expect to actually make almost 2,000 XDAC out of it, which if you bought at ICO at the moment, you'd be paying about 1.5 Ethereum for. So we've done rather well with the first 2 trades, and we'll have a look at each of them in a second. So Fabric token first, and it's done exceptionally well from where we bought it at 0.000175 of an Ethereum. As you can see, it's almost doubled at current price, and it was actually higher last night. But that's a pretty good start for our trading. As you can see, volume is very high now on Fabric token. I think, yeah, we're looking at about almost 800 Ethereum in the last 24 hours. When I purchased it, volume was still fairly low, about 140, 150, 160 Ethereum, and it's just rocketed because, again, it's an undervalued gem, and it was one of my picks, hence I did a video on it. So let's take a little look at XStack then. So XStack's done actually better than Fabric token, would you believe? It has more than doubled since I purchased it last night. And as I said, I was patient with this. As you can see from my balance here, I've got almost 2,000 of them from the bids that were filled last night. And as I said, if you go to the website and you purchase at ICO at the moment, you will only get about 1,450 with the 45% bonus for 1 Ethereum. So we're already well up at the moment. So we've done pretty good so far. So yeah, so far so good. It's looking pretty rosy. As you can see there, it has more than trebled since I bought it. I think the cheapest I got it for was 0.00015 of an Ether, and most expensive I paid for it was 0.00022 or 21 of an Ether. So again, you know, we really slam dunked last night, guys. So we're well on the way to making money in our 5-figure moon challenge. So what the plan is from here is to continue trading up to try and make 5 figures in US dollar terms. So if we start out with, say, let's say $500, we started out with a single Ethereum, or just a little bit under Ethereum. I think we've spent 0.95. You know, our aim is to actually try and 20x that into 5 figures. Is it achievable? Well, possibly. It might crash and burn. You know, that's the thing. And I'm going to be completely honest with you here, guys. Whatever trades I make and whatever I do with it will be disclosed here. So, you know, if it does crash, then, you know, this video series might be quite short. You never know. But that's the beauty of it. That's why I wanted to do it, you know, because I want to show you guys not only how easy it is to make some decent gains, but also how dangerous and volatile it is. So, you know, it acts as a sort of warning and a, you know, a sort of a note of caution, if you like, to anybody that's going to be trading cryptocurrency. If you're new to the game and you've come on this video thinking, oh yeah, I can make $1 million straight away, well, you know, let's see. Is it that easy? Is it that simple? Or, you know, are we going to get burned? And I don't think it's going to be a quick, you know, we might be lucky. We might really hit the jackpot on one of these trades that we make. But it's going to be a long process, I think, to get up to the 5 figures. It's not going to be instant. So, you know, we've started already in the last 24 hours. We're going to build up. I think we're going to build up. And it's probably going to take, I would say, at least 4 or 5 months to make some real damage here. So it's a waiting game. We've got to be patient. And again, I'm going to have to... you know, perhaps when we get up to maybe $2,000, if indeed we even get that far, then, you know, we're going to have to start to make plans on what we're going to do. We split it, you know, it'll be 2 Ethereum, 1 Ethereum into an ICO, perhaps 1 Ethereum we continue to play with on the markets and so on and so forth. So it's not going to be easy, but I'm going to try my best not to lose or make any rash decisions on the trading. So yeah, wish me luck, guys, and I'll keep you informed every step of the way. There will be a new video every time I make a trade. I'll probably try to do one of these videos every week at a minimum, so we can see how we're doing, and then, you know, we can see how fast we can get to the 5-figure mark. So thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. If you enjoyed the video, smash the likes. There'll be another token or ICO video coming up today as well. I'm just doing this for a little bit of fun and a bit of a challenge. Always like to keep myself on edge, especially when the markets are not doing much. You know, they're pretty stagnant at the moment. But, you know, let's see if we can maintain and make some small gains at the moment. Then you know, that's a sign that we're doing pretty well. So thanks for watching, and blah 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 blah.